Hi, I'm Diana Kokoska, VP of MAPS, and I want to talk to you today during your Power Hour on the 80-20 principle. See, Vilfredo Pareto is the gentleman that discovered the 80-20 rule. Now let's think about this. Here we are in the 1800s, and he is studying all of the wealthy people, all of the income in England, and he finds that 20% of the people have 80% of the income. Well, that's where the 80-20 rule came from, and it is still known today. See, as you're doing the Power Hour, I bet you 20% of you are showing up. I'll bet you 20% of you are getting all the appointments, while 80% are sitting back saying, what should I do? Now, let's explain that learning-based is what we need to be. And by following the 80-20 rule, you too can become a black belt in life. You can actually make more money in less time and enjoy your life by taking some time off. Wouldn't that be great? You're doing that today because you are lead generating. And every day that you lead generate will show up, not tomorrow, not the next day. It will be 90 days from today is when things start showing up for you. And I am so excited for you. Now, I don't mean that 90 days from now is when you're going to start making appointments. I'm talking about the ping pong theory. You've heard it before. We use it in MAPS. Let's say we have a brown bag here, and we put a ping pong ball in. And then we put another ping pong ball, and another ball, and another ball. And pretty soon, you put one in, and two pop out. And another one goes in, and another one pops out. See, there is a saying that activity breeds activity. So as you are lead generating, putting all those ping pong balls in that bag, pretty soon somebody's even going to call you out of the blue and say, hey, I want to list my home. Rest assured it's because you are doing the activities and the universe is helping you out by giving it back to you. So go be active. Go get those appointments because after all, I believe in you and I do. Do you believe in you? That's what's important.